Meaning of encyclopedia.
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 Encyclopedia. An encyclopedia is a reference work that provides comprehensive and authoritative information on a wide range of topics. It typically includes articles written by experts in their respective fields, covering subjects such as history, science, literature, and art, among others. Encyclopedias aim to offer readers a broad and deep understanding of the world around them, with entries ranging from brief summaries to detailed analyses. In essence, an encyclopedia serves as a one-stop shop for knowledge seekers, offering easy access to a wealth of information and expertise on virtually any subject imaginable.